Georgetown Loop train, and it's about a 1 hour, what is it? Choo-choo ride. And then we're gonna do some panning for gold. So come with us so we can show you what it's all about.
Stronger than the original, which is a good thing because the old timers would say that when trains passed over it, the bridge would know the squeeze way, and if
like I said earlier, we're doing the Georgetown Loop Railroad ride, and we stopped halfway to do the panning for gold, and also we're going to be doing a mine tour. So we just got done doing the panning for gold, and each of us got a little bit of gold. Yeah. Where's yours?
That's in my purse.
Oh. So anyways, a lot of fun. They said that there's about
$10 to $15 in here.
Yeah, $10 to $15 of gold in each little vial.
Yeah, so off to the mine.
Yep.
In between the rails. In between the rails, guys. Tall enough.
Yeah, they're short.
All right, we just finished the Georgetown Railroad Loop and mine tour that we went on. And what do you think?
I loved it.
It was pretty fantastic. I thought it was.
I loved it.
I highly suggest doing the mine tour. Do the extended one if you can. We did the shorter one only because I screwed up the schedule earlier and we missed our first time
but
frame.
it was okay because it got messed up. Then we got we got a shorter
tour, but mine gold panning.
The gold panning for gold.
Yeah, so that wasn't included in the original one that I had chosen. So, anyways, both are fantastic. We highly recommend both of them. The kids loved it, and definitely check it out.
It was a nice 75 degrees today.
Oh yeah, and the mine is 40 to
44.
45 degrees in there, so it's freezing. So bring a jacket if
Yeah.
you're sensitive to that. So
Great for families or, I mean, for anyone. It was
it was a great
fantastic.
time. So definitely check it out.
Yeah.
So we'll see you on the next one. Be sure to like and subscribe. Take care.